We'll pop this open. Here's my second order from Flip, and I actually got two separate products within this box. What we'll do is pull out the i-xtech RGB gaming microphone. Now, I've seen other microphones like this in the past, so I was very curious to see how this would look like coming from Flip. I'll just cut through this right there, and we get a little thank you card that fell out as I was opening up the box. So inside, we actually get a little special discount that we can use for the future, and then we have our manual that we can look through. And here is the microphone itself. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C plug. It looks like this is the bottom of the stand, so it's actually the tripod that will sit underneath it. This is the actual microphone. This is a very nice looking microphone. It's very light, which is a little bit concerning just because usually microphones need to be a little bit heavier to have like all the stuff within them. But as you can see, IXTECH right down there, and it looks like you can tap this up here to mute it as well. All the microphones I've had in the past have been a bit heavier, so maybe it's still okay. We just attach this here. We can include the windscreen on the front of the microphone, and it looks like you just speak into this part, so you speak in through this windscreen. So the bottom part, which you can turn left and right, actually raises the gain and lowers the gain. If we take out this tripod, we can attach it just like this. So I'm just going to mention this one more time. It's very light for a microphone. I've had experience in the past with microphones that are heavier and are more robust, and that usually means it's a good thing. If it's very light, there's not much inside the microphone itself. And something that I was a little bit disappointed in is that this is USB-C to USB-A, and I'm thinking if I wanted to convert it and use it for my phone, perhaps I would need USB-C to USB-C. But this still works. You can plug it in the back here and then connect this to a laptop perhaps. Now the manual is very helpful because it did tell me that this is a headphone jack, so you can monitor your input when you plug it in here and just hear how you're sounding with this microphone. And you could also just use a converter from USB-A to USB-C if you wanted to plug it into your phone. This will light up in RGB colors, so there's also a little button on the back here where you can push that and switch up how you use those colors. I'm very excited to try this out and plug it in and use it and just hear how it sounds for your phone or for any type of recording. Thank you so much for watching, and let's keep living that Flipster life.